Running a successful restaurant takes more than just great food. In a competitive market, efficiency and consistency are what turn first-time visitors into loyal regulars. First, boost your bottom line by standardizing recipes for consistent food quality and tracking daily expenses to optimize portion sizes and inventory control. Next, elevate the customer experience. Great service and a welcoming ambiance are as vital as the menu. Well-trained staff and an inviting environment keep guests staying longer and spending more. Maximize efficiency by streamlining operations, removing bottlenecks, and ensuring clear communication. Boost guest satisfaction by fostering a positive culture and recognizing hard work to reduce staff turnover. Finally, embrace technology and adaptation. Use digital tools to manage schedules and track sales trends, while monitoring feedback and evolving your strategy to stay ahead of the curve in a changing industry. Ops Analytica streamlines your operations and slashes compliance costs with fully configured turnkey implementation packages, saving you time, so managing your business isn't a second job. There's no lengthy setup or technical headache. Our platform is ready to go from day one, so you can focus on running your business, not your software. Ready to improve your operations? If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the chat. There's no commitment, no cost, just a straightforward conversation.